Hey guys, if you want to know why I'm so happy that I'm dancing, just stick around and see how these delicious egg rolls turned out. Hi guys, Renovating Renee. Still in stay at home or quarantine orders. A couple of months ago, I did a video with my homemade egg rolls. So I decided today to see if I got any better at rolling the egg rolls. So I'm going to compare from the old video that I will link here in the cards to the new way, or to see if I had an improvement in making the egg rolls. The only thing that matters is if the product tastes good, right? Well, we'll see. I'm gonna cook 3 at a time. I think that should be okay. And this can cook, I think, 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And there we have it, guys. Delicious egg rolls. Don't they look delightful? Can't wait to try them. Okay, guys, what I have learned. I realized from both videos that I am not the best egg roll roller, but I do enough to get the job done. So the important part now is to taste the egg roll and see if it's delicious. Still delicious. You don't have to be the best egg roll roller, but you have all heart for it. Thank you guys, and see you later, Renovators. Happy dance.